Hi, and welcome to another wonderful video instructional series on how to clean up. My name is Mommy, and today we're going to do a little bit of activity that's going to show you what to do with all those leftover party goods, because I'm going to bed. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is take your vegetables down here into the kitchen. Now, once you get them down here, you're going to need to put them into a Ziploc baggie. Now, the spinach is going to go into one bag if you haven't eaten it all, and the vegetables can go into another. That's right, because we'll still be able to put together a veggie tray a little bit later on. Make sure you don't put any extra water in there with them, because then that would increase the chances of rot and instability for our vegetables. So there are two bags out on the countertop for your use. Make sure you use them. Zip them up tightly. There's also small sandwich size bags in case somebody would like to take home some vegetables with them. Or if you'd just like to maybe put some separate because you don't want the hot stuff in with the not so hot stuff. Okay, from there you can take your filled up Ziploc baggies, again, Ziploc baggies, on the countertop. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put them in the fridge. Now fortunately we have lots of space in the fridge right now. If you'll notice, right, you see this? There you go. Right there is where you're going to put those bags. And that way we're sure that we know exactly where they are. Now let's say that you get a little bit hungry this evening. Notice we have extra parsley and some, looks like cilantro. There are also some green teas down here if you're interested in that. Don't forget, if you get hungry, there's all kinds of amazing things up here, including ice cream. Samoas. I'd like to get into that, but I'm trying to be healthy. There's also some other stuff here, so help yourself to that as well. You're going to need to take the tray or the platter or whatever else you have up there, and you're going to need to rinse it off. That's right, use the sink, rinse off what's in there. If you would, rinse off any other dishes that you see in there, because that'd be the really sweet thing to do. If you have anything that isn't edible or really doesn't need to be put into the fridge with the rest of the stuff, we have a wonderful compost bin right there on the floor. I'll leave it right there because the dogs aren't going to eat a lot of vegetables. And you can take that, well, I'll take it out in the morning so that way the chickens can enjoy our wonderful feast right along with us. Now let's say that you want something that's a little bit more substantial than, say, ice cream, because, you know, it's only 9:30. So you might want something else. I have, that's right, bean rolls. They're toasty warm. Oven will be closed so that way they'll taste excellent for you at any time this evening. If they get a little bit cold, you can pop them into the microwave right there. And that'll help them out. Again, we thank you very much for being a responsible member of our family and our household, and we look forward to seeing you in the morning. For breakfast, we have some wonderful surprises for you, some of which include some toppings that may be a little bit unexpected, but should be absolutely sure to delight. Hope you have a wonderful evening. I love you, and I hope you get some good rest, or at least watch a bunch of good movies. All right. Bye, honey.